texturing and shading can be done in the shader editor. You can switch your workspace to the shading workspace by clicking on the tab Shading at the top. In my case, I adjust my current workspace so that it fits my needs better, but that's up to you. In my case, my object has no material yet, so I'll add one and give it a bluish color. This serves as a placeholder for any texture you might already have. Make sure your 3D workspace is set to Material Preview. Okay, that works. Now I'll add the Glossy shader and let's see how it looks with different settings. Apparently, there is no way to put both materials into one output node, but we can mix them together with a mix shader. Our blue placeholder texture goes into the top input and our glossy shader into the bottom input. A factor of 0 means 0% of the glossy shader will be drawn onto our blue texture. A factor of 1 means 100% of the glossy shader will be drawn onto our texture. There's another way to not only control the factor value itself, but also to control where the factor value is 1, where it is 0, and where it is something in between. This can be done with an image texture, which we can call Glossy map. We don't need alpha, and for the base color we choose black. For image textures that don't affect our color, we should always use non-color as a color space. In our mix shader, white corresponds to a factor value of 1, or 100%, and black to a factor value of 0. Because we have chosen black as the base color of our map, 0% of our glossy shader will be drawn on our blue texture. With the Glossy map plugged in, we can now switch to the Texture Paint workspace. It is important that our Glossy map is chosen. As we can see, our black image texture is applied to our monkey object. We now can draw on it. In order to see the glossy effect, we have to change the viewport shading in this workspace also to Material Preview. As we can see, white means glossy and black means no glossy, or no gloss. You can also paint any gray value in between.